Welcome to this new tutorial on Excel. In this tutorial part, we will be discussing about data tab in Excel. In data tab of Excel, we have different groups like get and transform data, queries and connections, data types, sort and filter, data tools, forecast and outline. So when we consider the first one, when we think about getting data from external sources, suppose we have an empty sheet. Okay, I have an empty sheet. I want to get data from another Excel workbook. Okay, from which workbook I am trying to get the data? I am trying to get the data from the desktop, which is there in Chicago narcotics. Okay, once the connection is established, okay, I am selecting this and I am selecting transform data. Right. The data is copied here. Now you can see the data that is imported from other location. Okay. From where? Desktop data. Okay. We can also get it from database, Azure, and all these types of formats are accepted here in this case. Okay. Now from text or CSV file, comma separated values will be present. CSV files, from CSV files we can take, from web we can take, from a tabular range, from picture. These all are different ways of extracting data into Excel. Okay, we can also take it from websites. Of various websites we can enter, take example amazon.in. Okay, this is the data that we got from Amazon. Okay, we received very less data, but we got some data, right? In this manner, we get data from different sources. Okay, and queries and connections, when we have connection to different databases, when we have connections to access SQL, and when we fetch data from different sources, the queries and connections, and they will be refreshed and they can be modified by using queries and connections options. All of them will be visible here on the right hand side. So properties, whether to include row numbers, preserve columns, sorting, all these options will be available in queries and connections. These are generally useful for users who work in different organizations and who work at high level. For beginners, no need to worry about get transform data, queries and connection. You just focus on how to learn all Excel formulas and all Excel options. Once you learn all of them, working on transforming of data, working on queries and connections will become very easy for you. Okay. How you are fetching the data from different sources will be clearly visible to us, visible to you. Okay. Whatever connections that we have in the workbook, all those connections will be visible in queries and connections. Okay. How we retrieve data from different sources will be clearly visible by using queries and connections on the right hand side of Excel worksheet. Let's see data types group, that is stocks and currencies. You take example of the first one, like I'm typing NTPC here. So after typing NTPC, I'm selecting this and I'm clicking on stocks. So I can see it's 52 weeks high. I can see it's 52 weeks low. Okay. In this manner, stocks related information can be accessed here. Now I'm taking the next example, that is USD or Euro. Or you can also take one more example, that is USD and Indian rupee. Okay, the relation between these two currencies. Okay, I'm selecting them under currencies and I am selecting 52 weeks high. Okay, USD to Euro, we have a difference. What is its Indian value to dollar? $1 is equal to 83 rupees 26 paisa. $1 is equal to 1.05 euro. In this manner, the currency related values can be accessed by us.